So today we're going to be testing out a concealer that I've had for a while now, but I just haven't gotten around to use it. Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This is described on the website as a full coverage concealer with a matte finish. You have to see if it creases, is it really full coverage, all of that good stuff. I have this Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the color Light 16. This is what it looks like here. So it's a nice packaging, and this does retail for $6.50. It is cruelty-free and vegan. This is lightweight, but you will get a full coverage effect. So I can't wait to try this. At 0.14 ounces. I'll put here like the chart of all the shades that they have available. That color looks really good. I do pick it several shades lighter than my under eyes because that's where I usually apply it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this under the eye. It has like no scent to it. I really like Colourpop, so I'm excited to see how well does this cover, if it's really full coverage. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jenz BeautyStyle, and let's go ahead and get started. We'll swatch it again like after this dries while we're applying, just to see like how much does it oxidize, if it does. Just gonna apply under the eye, and like I was saying, I do like to buy my concealers a couple of shades lighter because I like a brightening effect under the eyes. And it has a nice like yellow tone to it. There's no pink in it. So I'm gonna take this sponge and blend it under the eye. Okay, so right now it's looking pretty good. I would say it does have a really nice coverage. It's pretty good. Wow, that's looking pretty good. I am going to go ahead and put on my foundation and the rest of my makeup, and we're gonna see by the time that is done how does it look, if we have any like creasing or anything. Right now it's looking pretty good though. It doesn't look like super dry because it's a matte concealer. Now it feels comfortable. It does feel really lightweight. I'll be right back. Looking at my whole face now with makeup, I think this concealer is 100% worth the price, the $6.50, and sometimes you even find it on sale. It's not making my under eye area look super dry, not like creasing a lot like at all. Like the L'Oreal one was not good for me at all. The coverage was amazing. This color I think worked really well for me, the Light 16. I want a little bit of more coverage, yes, because I always want more coverage, but I think it's really good. Just try to get up close so you can see. If you have like fine lines like me, like as of now, it's not looking bad. Didn't set it immediately. I set it after I put on like my foundation. That's when I set it and it was fine. Some I know like you have to set it immediately. I didn't have to. So now let me just do the fresh swatch so we can see there's a big color difference if it oxidizes. So this is the old one. It's pretty dry now. Okay, so you can see that is a huge difference. So just in case you were wondering, it doesn't feel cakey, it doesn't feel oily, it just feels really good. Highly recommend again this Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I will leave all my other concealer reviews at the end of this video for you to watch if you're interested. It's drugstore and high-end. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the little notification bell. That way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!